5016 Charlo. We do have the owner and a kid and a dog present. This is, to me, I find this community very attractive. It's just very aesthetically pleasing. Also, right around this bend here, you have a little community park with a lot of grass and just very cute. Feels very family oriented. The fascia around the garage door may need to be touched up, and then we have a little stucco damage there. That's very common, especially since this is a south-facing house, so it's going to get a lot of heat and take a lot of pressure from the sun, but it's really cheap and easy to get that painted. Of course, we always do a rekey. Looks like we have laminate plank all the way through the through the house. So normal doors, and we have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds already in place, which is great. The paint is a little bit of a darker tannish color. Oh no, it's totally fine. Thank you. Ceiling fan looks good. It's a nice brand, Hampton Bay. We have laminate counters. Let's see. We can. There we go. So the blind over the sink actually looks good. Usually you see grease and all that, but it looks good. So there's a doggy in the backyard, so we won't go back there, but we already have concrete in place, and the rock is red. So we'll see what the property manager says about whether or not it needs rock, but that's nice. And directly behind us is a 1-story, so you have a little bit of privacy. Looks good. And from what I can tell, the condition of the flooring looks good. This is a very large area, so we may want to swap the counters out for some granite with an undermount sink and a gooseneck faucet. There's a lot of counter space, so I'm not sure. We'll get the property manager's opinion on whether or not we need a space saver microwave. Okay, so that's the pantry. Not sure what that is. The paint is in good condition, so I don't think there's going to be a lot of touch-up. Okay. And we have a little pet door here on this garage door. We may replace the garage door so it conforms with the 1-hour fire code. Okay, so now of course we'll probably repaint any rooms that are green. It's great that we already have a fan. It looks to be in good condition. It looks pretty new. From what I can tell, the flooring looks really good. So there's a baby sleeping, so I'm going to be very quiet. You know, actually, I'm going to go ahead and skip the room that the kid is in. I don't want to wake them up.